What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kanina coming back with another video. Just a friendly reminder. I hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys are healthy and in good spirits. And I hope that everything is working in your favor. So, this friendly reminder is basically the role of intention setting when it comes down to manifesting your dreams. So this video is going to be a part of my manifesting greatness. Hope you guys like the blog. Hope you guys and you guys, if you guys want to if y'all want to follow me, you can follow me on Twitter at the Lock Libertarian. You can also follow me on IG at your girl Kanina, and my blog on it's your girl Kanina. Well, I think it's your girl Kanina. I'm gonna leave a link down below, so just check the link in the description box. So anyway, you guys, like, subscribe, notifications on, and we're gonna get to it. So I'm gonna start doing like some videos like this as well as like my blog videos. I wanted to put up like my weekly videos, like what I eat in a day and all that shit for healthy living. Like, oh my god, my baby told me that I'm supposed to like say a curse word. My video's not gonna be monetized. So I'm trying to like not curse. He's like, mommy. So I found out, he's like, mommy, so I found out that you can't say a bad word. If you say a curse word within 15 minutes or 5 minutes to 15 minutes or something within your video, you won't be monetized. So he was like, just to let you know. So I'm like, oh, mama. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Appreciate that. But, so intention settings, you guys, y'all know what intentions are. Intention settings is the process of defining and clarifying what you want to achieve or manifest in your life. It involves identifying your desires, goals, and aspirations and setting your intention to work towards these outcomes. The practice of intention setting intentions can be a powerful tool to manifest your dreams. I said manifest. Manifest. Oh my god, y'all know. Like, I was watching, because I'm getting used to getting on the camera. Like, I was watching Tony Robbins and some other people because I'm not a big public speaker, but I have a lot to say. So, like with this, or what I want to do with my manifesting greatness channel and videos. Well, it's all combined within. It's your girl Kanina, me Kanina. So, I was watching him and I was like, okay, so this is how they do that. So they gotta do like the mouth exercises and all of that, and then you gotta like, mic yourself up if you're not really. What if you're not having a good day? Like, what if you're not having a good day? Then I guess you don't do videos or whatever, or you don't. You can't just be like, because I know like if I'm angry, but I do know that like if I'm mad, all it takes is for me to be happy, or for something to make me smile, and I'll be happy. So it's like, okay, well, let me just try, But anyway, so the practice of setting intentions can be a powerful tool for you to manifest your dreams. So when you set your intentions, you have to make sure you know what you go for, what you desire, your goals and aspirations, what you work towards setting these, setting your intentions on those. Like, okay, so let me give you a few examples. All right. A few ways in which setting your intentions can support the manifestations of your dreams is clarity. Why was that a cough? Damn, I didn't even have to cough just a couple minutes ago. I wasn't even coughing. I don't know. Maybe I'm okay. But clarity. When you set clear intentions, you're able to clarify what you want to achieve and why it's important to you. So this clarity can help you to focus your energy and attention on the specific outcomes that you desire, which can increase your chances of manifesting these goals. Then visualization, I talk about that too. Like I've been saying a lot about visualization. Intention setting often involves visualization or imagining yourself achieving your desired outcome. Visualization can help you to create a mental image of your desired reality, which can strengthen your belief in your ability to manifest your dreams. And it's true. If you sit back and visualize where you want to be, then 9 out of 10, you'll get there. You know, you'll visualize you already being there, and then you'll get there. Don't worry about how you're going to get there. Just know you will get there. So alignment, intention setting can also help you to align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desired outcome. By setting your intentions to manifest your dreams, you are more likely to take action. You're most likely to do what you're supposed to do. That's gonna get you, where you need to be, and you can make the choices that support your desired reality. Manifestation is a part of it also. The actual final part of it. Setting intentions can help you to manifest your dreams by creating a sense of expectancy and positive anticipation. When you set your intentions and achieve the specific outcome that you are thinking about, that you're creating a positive expectation that this outcome will manifest in your life. So to sum it all up, you clarify your desires, visualize the desired outcome, aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your goal, and creating a sense of expectancy and positive anticipation. You can increase your chances. You want to make sure you focus. Setting intentions help you to focus your energy and attention on your desired outcome. So you want to focus all of your intentions and your thoughts upon what you want. And it helps you to direct your energy towards creating the reality that you want. Make sure you keep a positive mindset. Setting intentions can also help you to cultivate a positive mindset. By focusing on what you want to achieve and visualizing yourself already having achieved it, you are creating positive and optimistic outlook. This can help you stay motivated and inspire you, to work towards your goal. So this is what you want. You want to make sure you take action as well. Intention setting is not just about visualizing your desire. It also involves in taking actions towards your goal. You have to take action. You have to do it. You have to put forth time, a day, or whatever, and focus on what you want. Because it's what you want. Nobody else in this world wants what you want. So you have to focus on what you want. And trust your intentions. Trust that the process is going to manifest in your life. Set the intentions and take actions towards your goal. You're demonstrating the faith, trust in the universe's ability to support you in achieving your desired outcome. Make sure you keep yourself in alignment with the universe. When you set your intentions, you align your thoughts, emotions, actions with your desired outcome. You're also aligning yourself with the universe. And this alignment can help you to create a sense of flow and ease in your life as you move towards your goals in harmony and with nature, the natural order of things, however they should go. You know how they go. Nature, you know what I'm saying? So you set those intentions properly, and you use intention setting because it is a powerful tool for manifesting your dreams. You will hear that at anywhere, your intentions. They have to be, even when you're like doing other stuff. You have to focus on your intention to put your intentions on what you want to manifest, and it's going to manifest in your life. And I mean, you can say, "Oh, it doesn't work," and all of it. And if your mindset is not proper, then you gonna have to like work on that. You gotta work on your mindset. If you've been raised to like in a negative environment, you continuously negative, 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 negative. You gotta work on that first. That mind, get that mind out of the negative state. Raise your vibration, raise your energy, and go from there. All right, so this has been your girl Kay with another friendly reminder. And thank you guys for watching, tuning in. This is really cool. I really enjoy talking to, the people, because I'm actually like talking to myself. I want to make sure that I have something set in stone that I can go back and look at that's coming from me, and not from everyone else, because it's difficult as a human. It's difficult to stay focused and stay positive in such a negative, world at times. Everywhere you look, there's murder, death, kill, murder, death, kill. What the hell going on? So we want to stay focused. We want to stay positive and remain, with high spirits, high energy. Keep our energy up there, Take care of yourself. Me, myself, I'm working on, being more mindful when I eat things, when I consume things, listen to things, take things into my subconscious and all of that. So I'm going to start uploading more videos like that too, as well, as far as my healthy living goes. But let me know if you guys enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, cut your notifications on, and I'll be back with another. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.